Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another Valentine's Day look. I feel like Valentine's has so many options to do. You can either do the whole pink and peach and like red side of it, red colors, and you can also do the whole warm taupe and dark deep chocolate side of it. So today I'm going to work on the dark side. Since I was so nervous, I had like my palette on my lap and then I just basically freaked out and then the whole thing fell down and I lost two colors. Money bags right here, which is a green color, which is the prettiest color out of all the colors, lost. And I have gold dip right here. I kind of salvage it a little bit, but we'll make it work. Today's look is going to be on this chocolate palette. This palette, it says that it's made from 100% pure cocoa powder. So we are kind of putting a little bit of dessert on our face and it's perfect for Valentine's. I'm still so sad that I lost this color. It's called Money Bags. I don't know how to start off the new year if I lost all the money bags. Alright, let's just move on. First off, I'm going to use the Sigma E57 brush and go into this color right here. It's called Rolling in Dough. Go on my eyelids right here and fill out the whole area from here, moving upwards to the eyebrow bone. Since I lost my money bags right here, I'm going to use the color Holla for $1. Let's hope that I get these money bags back someday. Using my Sigma brush E34, I'm going to take a little bit of Holla for $1, go into the hollows of my eyes right here. Next color I'm going to go in is this color that I kind of messed up right here called Gold Dip. Let's use it before I completely lose it. Falling everywhere. And put it on the lids of my eyes right there. I'm using the brush E38. That color didn't even give me much of a dramatic feel to it, so I'm gonna go in with the color Chocolate Gold. This one right here, it's a double time right here. Let's get that extra goldness and put it on my eyes. Much better. The other one's more subtle. It's still pretty, but I'm like the type to have more dramatic results, and this one's basically making me feel like I'm fulfilled. Next up, I'm going to use my Sigma brush E30 right here and get this color. It's the color Decadent, ever so slightly, because it's a very dark color. I don't want to go like harsh on it. Remember to like tap it off and blow it off and get into the outer corners of my eyes right here to give it some more definition. The hollows right here. Using these Sigma brushes and the Morphe brushes, I'm not gonna lie, they really do itch a little bit because maybe I'm coming from Hakuharu brushes and right now I'm feeling a lot of itch. Like this is giving me a lot of itch. It's taking a much longer time to blend than usual. I feel like my Hakuharu brushes blend much faster and I'm saving a lot of time. So if time is worth your money, please do invest in Hakuharu brushes because these brushes, even though they're great, but coming from a huge brush brand, this is really difficult to work with and it really hurts at the same time. And then I'm going to go underneath my eyes right here a little bit, underneath the waterline, just kind of slightly 75% right there. Blend out the corners right here and define it some more. This is supposed to be a chocolate look and it's supposed to lure your man in to get some dessert. Let's not make it difficult. Oy. It has a slight green color to it, which is nice because when I'm blending it together, it comes out to look like the same color as the background. So, good thing. I'm going to move on to my eyeliner from Kat Von D. This is the Tattoo Liner in the color Trooper. Alright, let's line this baby up. I'm going to give it a little bit more of a dramatic wing at the ends. I just finished my eyeliner, and honestly this Kat Von D liner is great. If you're a beginner, then I think that you would love this, but for me, I just feel like it's taking a very long time for it to come out. I just feel like I have to go back and forth for the color to come out. But I think that they do this on purpose so that for those who don't really know how to use liquid liner, it just goes on very soft and you're not as overwhelmed. For me, I feel like it's not enough for me to go because I'm just the type of girl that just goes shh, shh, and then it's done. But if you're a beginner and you want to go slowly, this is the perfect eyeliner for you to use because it's not giving out a lot of product, but as you go, you will get that dark, deep black liner on your eyes. Just keep going back and forth. But for me, I don't have that time to wait and hope that it's going to come out because I feel like it's too long. Take too long. Eyeliner is on. I want to go back and define the outer corners of my eyes a little bit more. I'm going to use the color Decadent with the Sigma brush E21 and just basically define that outer edge of the liner and the eyes a little bit more right here. There you go. Give it a more point. It's very pigmented and it doesn't blend as well, so you have to go very slowly. I don't know if it's the brushes or something, but for some odd reason it doesn't blend as well. It could be the palette, who knows, but right now I'm not digging the way it's looking and the way it's blending. I feel like I have to be extra cautious with every stroke that I do. Moving on, I'm going to use the same brush E21 from Sigma and take this color Decadent and go into the outer corners of my eyes right here. Just halfway into my eyes right there. Same thing on the other side. Okay. Palette right here. This Too Faced chocolate palette is too difficult, and honestly, I don't like it. With all the fallout that's happening right now, I'm going to grab my concealer from the Tarte Shape line, conceal my eyes, and clean out all the fallout area because it's a lot going on. I will have to say that even my MAC brushes are better than the Sigma brushes. It's just, right now I'm just feeling a little bit stressed because I'm not sure if it's my brushes or my eyeshadow palette. Okay, I don't even want to talk about the fallout that's happening on my thigh right here. It's everywhere and okay. My poopy eyelashes is on and it's in the style Dramatic. And I'm going to add some mascara on the bottom lashes in the mascara Buxom. I heard a lot of good things about this mascara, so let's hope it does justice. Using the Kat Von D liquid liner, I'm going to line my bottom waterline. Now I'm going to use my MAC foundation in the color NC40 and grab this Morphe brush in Y1 and just brush my face clean up all that area, all the fallout that's happening. Moving on to blush, I'm going to use the color Tarte in... Oh my god, I lost the tip of it. Now moving on to blush, I'm going to use the color Party in the brand Tarte. Using my Morphe Y7 brush. On the apples of my cheeks. I'm using the highlighter from MAC in the color Double Gleam. Sigma brush F35 to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my upper eyebrow bones, and possibly inside my inner corners of my eyes. Makeup is done and the last step is lipstick. I'm going to use this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Noble and just deck out my lips. My eyes are super dramatic, so I want to go easy on the lips. And this is the color I think that would complement this look. I'm going to add a little bit of sheen inside, and I'm going to use this Anastasia lip gloss in the color Gilded. As you can tell, I love this color. It's just so pretty. It has a nice glow, a nice shine to it, and I'm just gonna place it right in the center right here. And I always put it in the center of my lips because if I do my whole lips, I feel like it's too overkill. I feel like I just finished eating a chicken wing or Popeyes or something. So I just put it in the center just a little bit and blend it outwards. So it's not too crazy out there. It usually takes me about 40 minutes to do my makeup, and right now, just trying to blend out the colors and everything is taking me at least an hour and a half, and for me, it's just too long. And even though it smells really, really good and perfect for Valentine's, but I'm just gonna say that this palette is meant for the doomed Valentine's kind of feel, the darker side of Valentine's. Just gotta go back. It's just gotta go back. I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.